Hello, so I have recently upgraded my phone to Samsung Galaxy S10e, and I couldn't find the same notification sounds as on my old phone, and I just got used to it and I like to keep it. And I even called Samsung support. The guys couldn't figure out. It took him half an hour and I went nowhere. So finally, this is the way how to do it, and it takes you just a few minutes. So first you need to download your own sounds that you want. They will be downloaded under my files and audio download. So that's the sound that I want, the temple bell loud. So what I'm going to do is you highlight it, you copy that, and then you move back to internal storage, notifications, and you copy here. Temple bell loud is here now. Now when you go to settings and sounds and notification sounds, now it will show up right here. So it's easy as that. It takes you 2 minutes and doesn't take a genius. It's not a brain surgery. Okay guys, I hope I helped you to find your notification sound that you want. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.